Hi, friends. So here's the deal. You guys are going to do this practice test for this BACE exam, which is your certification exam to get certified as a biotechnician's assistant. So the way it works, well, let me just show you how it works. Do this. Ready? Go to Classroom, and this is the same link, but I'll put it up again, a different link, or in a different place, but this is the same one. So click this sucker right here, like that. And you get to this, and this is what you guys already did, and then you clicked this button that says enroll now. Don't click that button, it won't work because you already enrolled. Instead, go up here to the top right corner. Can you guys see that up there? And that says my name, but for you guys it'll say login because you haven't done it yet. And you'll click that, you'll click login. And then if it asks you what you want to log in with, you're going to log in with your LinkedIn account that you guys created. So after that, you'll get to this page. It looks kind of like this. And then you're going to click right here where it says My Enrollments. Boom. Like that. And then you won't have two things here. You'll just have one thing here. You'll have Morro Bay, California BACE practice exam. So click that BACE practice exam. Actually, you might have to click over here where it says login. And I already did it, so it's popping right up for me. I don't know if you guys can get to this point or not. I'm going to do it a couple different ways. So what you want is right here where it says BACE practice exam 2020. Click on that sucker. And then go to modules right here. This whole user interface is called Canvas, and it's used by universities all over the country to conduct their online learning. And this will be good for you guys to get used to using this because it always looks like this on the left. So if you were going to Cal Poly, it would say Cal Poly right here instead of University of Florida. Whatever school you're going to, that's what it says, but it's always the same. It's this thing called Canvas. So anyway, that's the course we're on right. This is the course we're on, the BACE practice exam, and we want to go here to modules. That's what you want to use, modules. So you're going to click that sucker, and you can read all this junk if you want to, but if you scroll down, there's two practice exams. There's version A and there's version B. We're gonna use version A as a practice exam, and then we're gonna use version B for a practice exam. And then after that, you'll take the real test and you'll do really well because of how we're gonna prepare. So here's how we're going to prepare. By the way, you might not have been able to get to this place yet because what you need is this code right here. There's an access code for accessing the exam. So the access code for version A is 2327. So you'll have to use that code. I already did it and I don't remember where it prompted me to do that, but you're going to have to use that code 2327. So anyway, once you do that, you'll be able to access this sucker. So the way we're going to do this, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of these suckers. So what we're going to do is we're going to break each of these into 2 days. The first day, I'm going to have you guys just try to do it all by yourself, open notes, use the internet, use whatever you want. And I just want you to get a sense for how the questions are written so you can develop strategies. So you're going to go ahead and do this. This will be your first assignment, 1.0, which is on chemistry and biochemistry. So I already did it, so I have to click this preview thing, but you guys won't do that because I already did it, so it's going to show all my answers here, and I don't want you guys to see all my answers because I want you to do it yourself. So question 1, match the compound to its corresponding bond type. And you're like, holy crap, bonds, I haven't thought of that forever. But that's how it's going to be with everything on this test, you guys. You're going to have to just figure it out, and you will be able to figure it out because you have the background. So sodium chloride, you get to choose, is that ionic, polar covalent, or non-polar covalent? You might remember that sodium is a metal and chlorine is a non-metal, and whenever you have a metal and a non-metal, you've got not polar covalent, you've got an ionic bond in there. So anyway, go ahead and do all these suckers all the way through like that, all the way through, and submit your quiz. That's going to be your assignment for today. Tomorrow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through each and every one of these and explain why the answer is what it is. Because after all, that's what we need to do, is we need to get you to understand how to answer these questions correctly. They're not going to be the same questions that are on the real test, but they're going to be the same kinds of questions written the same kind of way about the same kind of topics. So that's why this is going to help you to prepare for that. So once again, get on here, use the internet for help, use your notes, use whatever you got for help, and try to do your best on this. Don't worry, I'm not going to give you a grade or something based on how well you score. That's not what this is about. This is about getting you to learn how to perform on the test so that you can crush it when it comes time to the real test. So I'll be seeing you guys in another video tomorrow. Okay, bye.